Welcome students. This is Unit 2, Pronunciation 2, Lesson 1. Lesson 1 is syllable. First of all, we have to know what is a syllable. The basic unit of speech is a syllable. For example, sun, pen, give. A vowel in the syllable is called nucleus. That means the syllable may or may not have a consonant, but it must have a nucleus. For example, cup. In cup, C is a consonant, U is a vowel, and again P is a consonant. Here, U is a nucleus. Structure of a syllable. A syllable is composed of consonants and vowels. For example, pen. In pen, P is consonant, E vowel, N consonant. Ability. In ability, A vowel, B consonant, I vowel, L consonant, I vowel, T consonant, Y vowel. Basically, sound, syllable and word. Pen, one syllable word. Ability is four syllables word. A word may contain 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 and 6 syllables. Every syllable must have a vowel compulsory. The syllable division is shown with a small hyphen called syllable boundary. Some examples of syllables. June, monosyllabic word. I have one syllable. We call it a monosyllabic word. Pencil. Pencil have two syllables. We call it a disyllabic word. Engine. Two syllabic word. We call it a disyllabic word. Captain. Two syllabic word. We call it a disyllabic word. Beautiful. Beautiful is a trisyllabic word. We call it a trisyllabic word. Fantastic. Fantastic have three syllables. We call it a trisyllabic word. Politics. Politics have trisyllabic word. Three syllables. We call it trisyllabic word. Dictionary. Dictionary have four syllables. We call it a polysyllabic word. Examination. Examination have five syllables. We call it a polysyllabic word. More than three syllables is called polysyllabic words. In this chapter, we have also consonant clusters. What is a consonant cluster? One syllable may have more than one consonant at the beginning or end of a syllable is called consonant cluster. For example, prosperity, cloud, 12th, straight. These are some examples of consonant clusters. What is a syllabic consonant? M, N, L are called syllabic consonants. These are called syllabic consonants. Some syllables did not have a vowel. M, N, L are play the role of the nucleus. For example, sudden, bottle, prism. Like this, we have sudden in N and bottle in L, Prism in M. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share English Quest.